I'm requesting your driver's license.
Well, I'm sorry, I don't have to have a driver's license to drive a vehicle.
The guts
right is
of
that?
these people.
Am I
Yeah, you are being detained right now. Step out the vehicle, young lady. Any reason for that speed tonight?
Where's the 35?
Well, before you got off the bridge, and as soon as you came off the bridge, all this is 35.
I was going 40, I thought.
No. You got your license, registration, proof of insurance.
You don't have to have a license to drive a car.
Yes, you do.
You do not.
15-7, 41 with me. Ma'am, step out the vehicle.
You're going to jail if you don't give them your license. Just give them your license. They'll probably give you a ticket and go on your way.
Step out the vehicle. You are being detained right now. Step out the vehicle, young lady.
I know my rights.
Either you step out the vehicle or I will remove you from the vehicle.
I know my rights.
Yeah. 15-7, sovereign supervisor, sovereign citizen.
Did you hear what I said? You need to get a supervisor out here right now.
No, you need to step out the vehicle right now. Young lady, step out the vehicle. Step out the vehicle. Last time I'm going to ask you. I'm going to ask, and then I'm going to make you step out the vehicle.
You're going to get me a supervisor out here right now.
No, you're going to step out the vehicle right now.
You are going to get me a supervisor out here right now.
That's fine.
I know my rights.
The guts
right is
of
that?
these people.
I do not have to have a driver's license to drive a car.
Yes, you do have to
I
have
am
a
not
driver's
a
license to drive a
commercial
car.
vehicle.
Okay.
I know my rights.
Okay.
I feel bad for people that really think they're above the law.
Educate you on what the law is.
Okay. He could educate me on what the law is. What? So do you have an ID or you have a driver's license?
No, I don't have a driver's license on me.
Okay.
I'm not driving, I'm traveling.
Okay.
I have all the laws back here.
Okay. So you're not going to give me a driver's license?
I'm not going to give you a driver's license. I don't have to give you a driver's license.
Okay.
I'm traveling. I don't have to have a driver's license to drive a vehicle.
Okay. In what state is that?
Any state. It's common law, natural law,
Okay.
constitutional law.
Okay.
Oh,
You need to get a supervisor out here.
I do?
Yes.
Okay. So
I'm
what law?
requesting your supervisor.
So just like I'm requesting your driver's license.
Well, I'm sorry, I don't have to have a driver's license to drive a vehicle.
yes,
Okay.
you
Sir Turner, A, she won't identify. She won't produce a driver's license.
Are you the
She's doing
supervisor?
58.
Yes.
Okay, I do not have to have a driver's license to drive a vehicle.
Let my officer speak first, then I'll speak to you.
Her vehicle was stopped for speeding. 54 and 35 coming off the bridge. She asked me where the speed limit was, saying that it's before she got off the bridge. She actually did a U-turn. We were in the 35 zone. We pull over here. I introduced myself. I said, any reason why we're driving this fast? And I said, you got your license. She immediately goes into, I don't need a license to drive the vehicle.
Okay.
And they said, I am traveling.
Yep, here we go. There's your
So,
supervisor.
you do need a license to drive a vehicle. And you do have to identify yourself to these officers.
I do not have to have a license to drive a vehicle.
Yes, you do.
I do not.
You're wrong, but okay.
I know common law, natural law.
I don't care about common law.
constitutional
You're in the
I
state
know
of
that
Florida.
You don't.
You're in the
You're
state of
Canada
Florida.
law. I'm in the U.S.
It does matter.
Okay, let's go out on a limb. I bet she gets arrested.
So at this point in time, I need you to shut the vehicle off and step out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the vehicle.
You're going to get out of the car.
I haven't been suspected of a crime.
You are being legally stopped on a traffic stop. You are not being cooperative. It is not a Terry stop.
What
Trust me,
crime
I
am
know the
doing?
difference. You were speeding.
Speeding
Turn the
is a
vehicle
crime.
off and get out of the car. Out of the car now. Undo the
Let me
seatbelt.
turn the vehicle off.
Turn it off now.
Officer Schaefer, unbuckle her.
Put all that down.
Step out, turn around, face away from me. Turn around, face away
Turn
from me.
around.
I do not have to have a driver's license to drive a
Oh
vehicle.
my gosh.
Yes, you do.
No, I do not.
Get a lawyer, stop talking, you're going to jail.
You should know that this conversation's over then.
Right, because you don't care about the laws. You don't care about our rights. That's the problem.
Have a seat.
I need to call.
Have a
I
seat.
need to call somebody. Yes, I do. You can't arrest me. I haven't done anything wrong.
We can arrest you.
No, you can't.
If you don't have a valid driver's license, we most certainly can.
Can I please call my
No.
mother?
You cannot.
Why?
Because you don't need to call you. Are you an adult?
Yes.
Then why do you need to call your mother?
To come and get me from jail since I'm being illegally
You
detained.
will be able to call her once you get there.
Can I at least lock my car?
We will make sure it is secure.
What are you going to do with my car?
Probably tow it.
Why?
Because you are driving without a license.
I don't have to have a license.
We've been through this.
You're being arrested, is what's happening. And you have not pissed us off. We are doing our job.
Sergeant Turner, please
Yes.
just let me go home.
No.
Why?
Because
you pissed them off.
you do not have a valid driver's license. And you have done nothing but give my officers a hard time during this entire ordeal.
I tell you that I have rights.
You don't know your right.
You asked for a supervisor. He came. He's not telling you what you want to hear. So don't know that it helped you.
You failed to appear on a court appearance for, what was it, expired license?
Oh.
So your Mississippi driver's license is expired.
And for the registration.
Okay, and the registration. So you had a court date that you missed. Do you remember that?
No, I don't.
It's sad. Convenient, but sad.
No, sir. I would not lie to you. I don't lie. I do not remember that.
Okay, well, you do have a warrant out of Santa Rosa County. So
We're
regardless,
in Santa Rosa County.
you're in Santa Rosa County. Do you not know where you live?
I just moved here. My
When?
mother lives on High Point.
I mean, at some point, you got a warrant out. You don't have a license. It's expired. Just get it all corrected, fixed, and then welcome and join our society.
You got some karma.
I'm not worried about my karma.
I know.
Oh. That explains it. She had cocaine. That explains her erratic behavior.
15 golf breeze. Even though you sent the warrant, stand by. Excuse me. Give me your full name. Give me your full name. Look at me. Give me your full name. Give me your full name. Drugs inside the vehicle. You are under arrest now for possession of felony narcotics.
I didn't give y'all permission to search my vehicle either.
Your vehicle's being towed. We're inventorying it. We're not searching it.
Yes, you are. You're searching my vehicle.
You say that our laws don't matter to you, so what's it matter?
Obviously, I don't have any laws right now.
No, there's plenty of laws. You're just breaking them.
I'm kind of surprised he's continuing to talk with her. I mean, you know what's going to happen. They're going to jail and move on to the next.
I have rights and I live in America.
Correct. But you
And I
decide
don't-
which laws
I
to follow.
don't take orders from anybody
Nobody's giving you
except
orders.
God.
Nobody's giving you orders.
Obviously, you are right now. I'm not a victim. I'll never be a victim. I hate that mentality.
Then why are you playing all these excuses as to you don't need a driver's
It's not an
license?
excuse. I have the laws in that car. That's why I ride around with them.
Why? To
I have the
educate
book of the Constitution in
to
there.
educate people like me?
Okay, well, that was a little interesting. Probably way too long. She had to have been under the influence. I mean, she had cocaine on her. Maybe she was on cocaine, but all she did is hurt herself. I guarantee the officer will definitely be at all the hearings, all the court appearances. So when you do argue with cops, all you're doing is giving them the reason to show up. Early on in my career, I did a little criminal law, and you have a better chance if the cop doesn't come and maybe even getting it dismissed. But obviously, that's not going to happen for this lady. Haven't followed up, but cooperate and keep your mouth shut. I'm Darryl Isaacs, the Kentucky Hammer. I'll see you next time.